Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import custom font on PicsArt. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my PicsArt application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on PicsArt. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to select one of the photos from my gallery. For example, I'm going to choose this photo and I'm going to add text to this photo. So I'm going to go to the text menu, and for instance, I'm just going to type in like this, and you can change the color if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And we can click on the check mark. Okay, this is my current font, and I'm going to change it to custom font. If you want to add custom font, we can go to see all right here, and then you can go to my fonts. These are the fonts from PicsArt, and if you want to add your custom font, you can go to my fonts, and these are the custom fonts I have added to PicsArt. I will be able to use it, but here I'm going to add more fonts. If you want to add fonts, we can select the add fonts option and then select add fonts. Okay, and I have just downloaded fonts from the internet guys, so I'm gonna go to the downloads album or downloads folder, and I'm going to add this font. Okay, and as you can see, custom font has been added to my fonts list, and I'm going to apply it to my text. Okay, all right, and if you want to change it, just go to the font and you will be able to apply your custom font. Okay, like this. I'm just going to apply my another font. I'm going to try this one guys. All right, just go to see all and select the font you want to apply, or you can apply it from here. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on the check mark, and if you want to save your photo, you can click on this menu. Okay guys, and that's all the way to import custom font on PicsArt. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.